And next one, Vice President Chung Chang Kanin Lenga. There shall be a Vice President of India. He occupies the second highest office in the country. The manner of election of Vice President and President is the same in India. Election Chung Chang Kanin Dona Engtinge President le Vice President he and elect. The President the Electoral College of Vice President consists of elected and nominated members of both the houses of the Parliament. Vice President election is one. Electoral College hanom vea mase President ta khachuan MLA te antelani. Vice President ta ero khachuan enula. Elected and nominated members of both the houses of the Parliament and tia MP Zongzong Vice President and elect don chuan antela elected le nominated antelani. All disputes regarding election of Vice President is adjudicated by the Supreme Court. Vice President election chung sanga thu boy lo omta se Supreme Court in na ching fel thrin ani he ta khian zon na thei chu to tenge Vice President election chung changa Electoral College te nominated members of both the houses of the Parliament MLN telvelo President ta khachuan MLN tela. Disputes regarding election of Vice President he to in nge ching fel thrin Supreme Court in. Vice President ni tur hian qualification then khat nga yauma heng te hieng tinge ni qualification pakhat na chuan he should be a citizen of India khwale tu yani nge nga ya kha kha chu chiang sa. He should have completed 35 years of age. Som thum panga atin nge ngai ni India ram president ni tur chuan Rajiv Gandhi kha India Prime Minister no pang ber ani. Som thum panga apel in Prime Minister khanya. He should be qualified for election as member of Rajya Sabha. Vice President ani chuan he should be qualified for election as a member of Rajya Sabha. President ani chuan he should be qualified for election as a member of Lok Sabha. Khi adang lamna ni President le Vice President chu. Under Article 69, the oath of the Vice President of India is administered by the President. Khi adang lam le a oath khi tu nge intiam kam na khiti tir Presidentin. President tunge intiam kamna titir. The oath of the President is administered by Chief Justice of India. Khi Vice President le President dang lamna ni le President ta chuan oath kha Chief Justice of India ina titira. Vice President ta ero chuan oath kha President ina titir. Conditions of office kan enleang Vice President. He should not be a member of either house of the Parliament or state legislature. Vice President ni Rwalin a MP ni nakha Rajya Sabha MP ni nakha athau tha nga state ta po state legislature MLA ni theilo bo. He should not hold any office of profit. Khi khriat ya nangaya zona lo amta se is a Vice President a member of Rajya Sabha, is a Vice President a member of Lok Sabha anti chuan anilo veve amaro chu he should be qualified to be elected as a member of Rajya Sabha. MP ani line MP ni lo chu President le Vice President an thantin thei chuang lawa ma se an thantin rwalin an MP ni na khan thau thatur ni chu wang chuan member an ni to lo Vice President an ni amo president an ni to kha chuan hi hriat chia na ngai ni question local se is the president a member of parliament ti khan an ni lo. Term of office, he can resign from his office by addressing the resignation letter to the president. Abang do ani chuan ban na lekha resignation letter kha president ne na thelu tang. He holds office for a term of 5 years. Kumnga chungin a term chu kumnga, vice president term chu kumnga. Engtin nge a thau thak thei. He can be removed by the resolution of Rajya Sabha passed by an absolute majority and agreed by the Lok Sabha. Tutan nge resolution passang and removed on in Rajya Sabha in. Absolute majority Rajya Sabha in and passanga Lok Sabha pon an pomve ngai ni. He can be elected for any number of terms. Tun term vice president lo ni to kha term le apo vice president ni thea term le apo vice president ni thei ki po khizona lo om thei ania. Can a vice president can be re-elected any number of times and ti chuan yes, vice president can be re-elected any number of terms. Vacancy in office. A vacancy in the vice president's office can occur in any of the following ways: on the expiry of his tenure, by his resignation, on his removal, by his death. King Zongzong Akhian vice president office low vacant ta se engtin tiang. When the vacancy is caused by expiration of term of the sitting vice president, an election to fill the vacancy must be held before the expiration of the term. President term zo main an electa, vice president po ki and term zo main an elect veve. If the office falls vacant by resignation, removal, death, otherwise, the election to fill the vacancy should be held as soon as possible. Vice president kha an remove mo, an resign mo, an lo boral palani chuan khami thlen vele khan re-elect ngal tur ani vice president kha. Powers and functions of the vice president. Again, power le function. The vice president acts as the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. Ex officio omzia khichu ningal chople chilin tina nita. Vice president tan Rual Khan Rajya Sabha chairman aningal ani. Rajya Sabha Lok Sabha speaker an thanang hian Rajya Sabha chuan chairman an tita an proceedings preside tur tu khang kha Lok Sabha chuan speaker member te zinga mi an thanga Rajya Sabha chuan an chairman tur a than pa in an thangai lo. Vice president ani rual in vice president kha chople chilin ex officio in an chairman ani ngal thin ani. In this capacity, his powers and functions are similar to those of the Speaker of Lok Sabha. In this capacity, his powers and functions are similar to those of the Speaker of Lok Sabha. He acts as President when a vacancy occurs in the office of the President. President office khalo ruak ta se acting President ta Vice President kha tangang. He can act as a president only for maximum period of 6 months. He zona chatakani. Vice president can act as a president for a maximum period of how many months? 6 months. Who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? Vice president. Zona pani poi mo de om thei. While acting as president or discharging the functions of the president, The Vice President does not perform the duties of the office of the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Hipoi mo. President ka, Vice President ka, Acting President anga act lai chuan functions of office of Chairman of Rajya Sabha ka achel lawang. Khang hun lai khan acting president ni lai chuan chairman of Rajya Sabha khan ni theilo ta khian zo na thei president kha vice president kha acting president ni lain can he function as chairman of Rajya Sabha? No, he cannot function as chairman of Rajya Sabha while acting as the president of India. If the office of both the president and the vice president fall vacant, the Chief Justice of India, or in his absence, the senior most judge of the Supreme Court acts as president. Hipoi mo. President le vice president anlo pala ni chuan Chief Justice of India kha acting president angin athuang president le vice president tharan than ma chu Chief Justice khila lo le cheu se senior most judge of Supreme Court khi president angin act ang to tenge president lo se vice president ang din huna dinga nga president le vice president lo se Chief Justice of India president din huna dinga nga President, Vice President, Chief Justice of India lo pal se senior most judge of the Supreme Court president angin dingang ki example ki nila enge for the first time in 1969 when President Dr. Zakir Hussain died and the Vice President V.V. Giri resigned, the Chief Justice of India M. Hidayatullah acted as president. Chief Justice President anga act kan nei chu 1969 na Dr. Zakir Hussain kan president kha aborala Vice President V.V. Giri khian banna thelut boxia anlari elect si lawa chung hun lai chuan Chief Justice M. Hidayatullah kha President angin acting president din huna chelani adota prime minister he chu aming kan hlei hlui to alare memboka amaro chu president he chu tiang ani velo president of India ming shelo kan tamang han ngai to wang ula tunge president of India ming in ngai to chwa thei chuan lo mom wiawang ka class ma sa po khan tunge president of India ti zona ka zota chang thei reng inom lo prime minister e ro chu tu pon kan sia ni Prime Minister is the real executive authority. President in a signature sign in timase India Sarkar in real bol na hichu Prime Minister ko ta omde uzo kani de facto executive antia. Who is the de facto executive of India? Prime Minister. President la sakhan kasoito de jure executive DEJURE. Who is the de jure executive of India? President. The Prime Minister is the head of the government while the President is the head of the state of the Republic of India. Khipoimo. Who is the head of the state? President. Who is the head of the government? Prime Minister. Article 75 says that the Prime Minister shall be appointed by the President. Tahian appointment of the President tahian du Prime Minister President Khan Prime Minister ta na ba appoint nilo intirnan an party president zel BJP India Rama BJP party president khang hunlai khan Narendra Modi anita kha prime minister angin president khan appointa sarkar masa congress sarkar lai khan India Rama congress an chakhan India Rama congress president chu Sonia Gandhi ni amaro chu Sonia Gandhi khan prime minister ni adulawa akyana Dr. Manmohan Singh kan prime minister ni khatiang zel khan party president zel kha a appoint tur ni president in BJP party president tamo congress party president zel kha adu in nangkha prime minister tan ka appoint ang che ti in adu sakjong kha appoint thengot lo party president zel kha appoint tur ni term and salary takhian the president administers to him the oaths of office dikhichu to him khichu enge to the prime minister the president administers the oath of office president in prime minister oath kha ati tiranga intiam kamna ti tu te kha kan soi treu to a hi chang takin in lo chin chia zel don ya the term of the prime minister is not fixed he holds office during the pleasure of the president ani na chan khenge so as long as the prime minister enjoys the majority support in the Lok Sabha he cannot be dismissed by the president entirnan tuna hian majority power chu BJP nan hold meka sarkar na hold tu ni mewa apai tha theingot lo president khan prime minister kha amaro chu sarkar na siam tu te an ni to lawa disqualified an nia an party kha no confidence motion an pass one president in an sarkar top kha prime minister chopin apai thadon ani kha the term of the prime minister is not fixed anti na chan chu an term 5 years term chu ni thoma se an term an man pum hlung ma khan no confidence motion mangin pai thak thei an ni tlatani the prime minister has the following powers and functions in relation to the council of ministers yan enge prime minister in thunei na nei the prime minister enjoys the following power as the head of the council of ministers he allocates and reshuffles varied portfolios among the ministers union minister te portfolio an portfolio chu enge omzia nang chuan chumi department chui changanga nang ma chuan railway si changanga nang ma chuan PWD changanga ti kha an department chan tur kha an portfolio chu ni ta an portfolio chang tur sem tu kha tunge prime minister who allocates and reshuffles varied portfolios among the ministers the prime minister he can ask a minister to resign or on the advice of the president ti turanita he can ask a minister to resign on the advice of the president in advice minister pakhat laka no confidence motion and pass one kami minister kha prime minister in resign turin ati thei ani. He presides over the meeting of the Council of Ministers and influences their decisions. Tuin nge Council of Ministers meeting he preside Prime Minister in. Who presides the meeting of the Council of Ministers? The Prime Minister, Speaker po nilo, Chairman po nilo, Prime Minister in. He guides, directs, controls and coordinates the activities of all the ministers. Prime Minister Chuan, he guides, directs, controls and coordinates the activities of all the ministers. He can bring about the collapse of the Council of Ministers by resigning from office. Prime Minister an resign chuan Council of Ministers kha choble chilin an collapse nga an dissolve ang. When the Prime Minister resigns or dies, the Council of Ministers and other ministers cannot function because the Prime Minister is the head of the Council of Ministers. His resignation or death automatically dissolves the Council of Ministers. A resign na mo athi chuan Council of Ministers kha unresolved ngal ani. Prime Minister tharan thang lenga Council of Ministers thar than ani leang. In relation to the President, to communicate to the President for all decisions of the Council of Ministers. Council of Ministers sina thilan decide re kha President ne na asilin na communicate turani. To furnish such information relating to the administration of the affairs of the Union. India khwale tu India sarkar in real bol na zongzong affairs of the Union le administration zongzong kha President ne na asil turani. He advises the President with respect to appointment of officials like Comptroller, Auditor General, Attorney General of India, Chairman and members of UPSC, Election Commission, Finance Commission, etc. Nichina President na appoint kanti zongzong, Comptroller, Auditor General te, Attorney General te, Chairman le, UPSC member te, khang ho zongzong kha, President appoint ni ba se, Prime Minister in heng hi, appoint ro heng hi, appoint ro an chatin, recommendation President ne na siamang. Adot le chuan Union Council of Ministers, Minister ho hi, Union Minister ho hi tu tenge. Apakhat na chuan engtin nge an appointment of ministers. Ministers are appointed by the President on the advice of the Prime Minister. Kipo kizo na omle the. Who appoints the Union Ministers? Who appoints the Union Council of Ministers? They are appointed by the President. On whose advice? On the advice of the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister and other ministers have to be members of either house of the Parliament. Prime Minister amo Council of Ministers su Rajya Sabha amo Lok Sabha MP an ningengi turani anni lo chuan they should become members of the Parliament within 6 months of their appointment. Minister anga an than tindon chuan tharuk chungin Rajya Sabha in thana o mga takhan Rajya Sabha amo Lok Sabha amo MP angin an thang ting nge turani. Enge minister tihan responsibility until collective responsibility until the union ministers have What type of responsibility? Collective responsibility. Under Article 75, the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to what? Lok Sabha for all their acts. Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to Lok Sabha for all their acts. It means the cabinet decisions bind all cabinet ministers and other ministers, even if they differed in cabinet meeting. Cabinet decision kha alal bera cabinet minister le minister dangte thu in hulo ma se cabinet in decision na siam to chuan an zom tur ani. Minister te hi chi thum anuma tu tenge types of ministers. Number 1 a chuan cabinet minister. Minister te hi athen hi cabinet minister te kan tia, athen hi minister of state te kan tia, engen danglam na ne tin Mizoram Legislative Assembly minister po in ngai tua fowanga andang lam na chu king te khini cabinet minister. They are the real policy makers. The cabinet's consent is necessary for all important matters. Cabinet minister chu minister rau po an thu alal zo ka ni tongkam pakhat cabinet an thu khom ti in shafowanga cabinet chut khoma chuan cabinet minister chau antel prime minister hoin Mizoram po chief minister hoin cabinet minister ho an chut khom chuan cabinet minister chau antel ani. Minister of State until velo. Minister of State, they can hold independent charge or attached to a cabinet minister. Until nan PWD minister hi cabinet minister ni ta se anwaya minister of state om thei thawani independent charge minister of state pon an la thei thawa department a than la ka chan an la ve thei thawani. Pathum na khi ange deputy ministers, they do not hold separate charge and they are called parliamentary secretary. Parliamentary secretary hi mizowa po kan neya deputy minister anya heng hi independent charge an lalo tlang puya minister of state amo cabinet minister noya an tlang pui ani. Union legislature khilo enila enge kan union legislature in real boldan hi eng form nge khi chu kan zir to a class masa parliamentary form ti khi. The Constitution of India provides a parliamentary form of government both at the center and the states. What form of government is India? Parliamentary form of government in the center and the states. The Parliament of India consists of the President, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Parliament of India consists of what? President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Although the President is not a member of either house of the Parliament, khi chu hemi class ve ka hian slide masala ma khan te explain to nga tinge president ki is not a member of either house kanti. President dan thantin vele a MP ni nakha apai thatur ni vice president po chu tiang bokin. Out of 7 union territories, only 2, Delhi and Pondicherry, have representation in Rajya Sabha khi poi molutuk. Union territories pasari kandeya pasari zinga panga in representation an neilo pani Pondicherry le Delhi in Rajya Sabha representation an nei. Rajya Sabha khianila. Rajya Sabha is a permanent body and not subject to dissolution. Maximum strength is 250 12 members are nominated by the President. The total membership of the present Rajya Sabha is 245. Tuna present Rajya Sabha membership to 245 anya seat nga achuang. 1/3 members retired every second year. Engtikange members and retire every second year. 1/3 members. There are no seats reserved for SC/STs in Rajya Sabha. Hipo imo SC/ST tan seat reserve Rajya Sabha omlo. Term of office of member of Rajya Sabha shall be 6 years. An office term to umruk. Heng zong hi voina kan class ti thei chu ni se class le Rajya Sabha buk khian kan chun zom don nya.